Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup kimchi using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 medium napa cabbage, about 200 grams of Korean radish, and a bunch of green onions. For the broth, prepare 10 grams of dried anchovies, 5 grams of dried kelp, and 2 dried shiitake mushrooms. Don't forget your seasoning essentials: 2 tablespoons of Korean chili flakes, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our main vegetable. Cut your napa cabbage into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Lightly salt the cabbage with 2 tablespoons of sea salt and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This helps tenderize it. After 30 minutes, rinse the cabbage under cold water 3 times to remove excess salt, then gently squeeze out as much water as you can. While the cabbage is salting, start your broth. Combine 10 grams of dried anchovies, 5 grams of dried kelp, and 2 dried shiitake mushrooms in 6 cups of water. Simmer for 20 minutes, then strain. The heart of our soup kimchi is the flavorful paste. In a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Korean chili flakes, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. To balance the flavors and help the paste adhere, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of a simple rice flour paste, made by mixing 1 tablespoon of rice flour with 2 tablespoons of water and cooking until thick. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a vibrant, aromatic paste. This will infuse our cabbage with incredible taste. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your well-drained cabbage and about 200 grams of thinly sliced Korean radish to the kimchi paste. Mix everything by hand, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated. Now, pour your seasoned cabbage mixture into the strained broth. Bring the soup to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce to a simmer and cook for about 5 minutes. Garnish with your sliced green onions. Your delicious, easy homemade soup kimchi is ready to be enjoyed warm. It's perfect for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.